what up, what up, what up? Somebody told me that bring back the daily vlogs. That's what's up. Okay. So, guys, I'm gonna give you something. It's currently in my country's time. It's 5 p.m., but it's actually 10:20 a.m. Eastern time. So that means I just closed the stream with my students. I was live trading, but today we didn't take that. Today we didn't take trades. So this shows you like 2 weeks of trading. I just closed the stream, but I was about to enter. Where was it? From this, if this would have closed nicely above this red line, hold on, let me show you. Above this red line, like here, I would have entered. Above, there was a fair value gap around here. I would have entered from there, but it decided to close all the way up here, so I didn't enter. So because that would have fucked up our restored ratio, so no trades today. But I'm currently 1.6k up on the week, and guess what, guys? I didn't trade that much this week. I was live every single day teaching my students, looking for a trade as well, and teaching and speaking to them. But there was only 2 trades that we took today, this week. But you know what? This is a lesson for you guys. Like with these daily vlogs, my goal is to actually give you value as well. So our winners always have to outweigh our losses, and we have to take the best possible trades. And when we take the trades, it has to be fucking good, okay? And it was. And you see these motherfucking gurus online on Instagram, on YouTube. Oh, they take like 5 trades in a fucking day. But when you look closely, bro, their winners are fucking negative restored ratio. I don't know if they make okay, I make peace with that. If they make red, cool. If they make red, that's what's up. But I don't know what to tell you guys. But most of them are fucking. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, regardless. Happy fucking Friday, guys. It's currently Friday, and yeah, man. I'm gonna show you something, bro. I'm gonna show you something. Last week there was a mini crash in the stocks, bro. There was a fucking mini crash in the stocks. Everybody was freaking out, okay? Everybody was freaking out. Stocks, and also we saw that on the S&P 500 because, S&P 500 has the stocks, it has the companies, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, all these meta, Facebook and shit. So we had this is a weekly time frame. Hold on, you see this? Weekly time frame, S&P 500 or ES, whatever you want to call it, okay? This is a CFD version, okay? This was the move down. Everybody was freaking out, okay? Everybody was freaking out, but motherfuckers don't realize. Hold on, I can show you in the 4-hour time frame, okay? What motherfuckers don't realize, I'm sorry, guys, but what motherfuckers don't realize that this is a big move down, but everybody was freaking out. And I made a fucking free weekly market analysis on YouTube telling exactly like why is everybody freaking out. This is just a fucking retrace on the higher time frame. These markets seek out liquidity, guys. Liquidity. I know this is a quick little lesson. This is a day in the life, but I have to just say this, bro. I have to say this. Weekly time frame, and you can see my last weekly market analysis on live on YouTube. It was around here, took out liquidity, and I say it's gonna go up, bro. It's gonna go up because this is just a retrace. Like the market always moves in a trend, regardless of the time frame, bro. Always in a trend, and I'm like, you guys have to understand that, okay? Always follow the trend, guys. The trend is your friend. It's no fucking joke that the trend is your friend, okay? But you have to understand that. And yeah, man. Today I'm gonna go, since this is a daily vlog, like I told you, my goal with these daily vlogs is to give you as much as value, bro, and keep you entertained. So today I'm gonna go swimming. In my country, it's not even that hot, but you know what? I'm a different breed, you feel me? But yeah. All right, man, so this was up. So I'm gonna do some calisthenics. If you guys know what is calisthenics, do y'all fuck with calisthenics? I like it, bro. It's like bodyweight exercises, it can literally be whatever, like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, like with no weight. Obviously, I go to the gym as well, but that's like nice. And then I made some steak. You feel me? And then I'm gonna head outside. All right, guys. Y'all know the vibes. I think I a little bit overcooked this, but you know what? It still has the same protein and shit, so. Yo, man. Question of the day. Adriel, what do you smell like? Well, this is the answer, bro. Axe, body spray, marine. Put this shit before, you know, date night or something, bro. Like here. And I'm playing, bro. I'm just kidding. Bro, this is this is something good, bro. A Zorro, Wanted by Night. You know, this is like a revolver. Nah, bro. This is good on winter fragrance, but you know, there's this one fragrance that I've been using for a long time, bro. It's fucking bomb. Okay? If Saint Laurent something, I'm not gonna reveal the, you know, the last name, but it's banger. But oh shit, by the way, not sponsored. I legally should be saying if that shit is sponsored, bro. Not sponsored, bro. Not sponsored by Axe, not sponsored by fucking Azoro. If Saint Laurent, I'll take the money, bro. I'll take the money, but it's not sponsored, unfortunately. Nah, it's not. And to be honest, bro, sponsorships, you know, I've been getting some sort of sponsorship deals from to my Gmail, but to be honest, guys, I don't even accept those. You know, I've been also getting some fucking scammy-ass broker, you know, trading broker. They want me to promote it on my YouTube, bro. Fuck that, bro. If I don't use it, I'm not going to promote it. That's, you know, I'm not a fucking, I came here to be revolutionary, all right? Revolutionary. Fuck those fucking gurus, bro. Fuck them. Fuck their money, bro. Fuck that shit. I don't want that. I don't want that, man. Because if what happens if I promote something, you know, a broker, and then at the end of the day it's a fucking scam broker? Hell no, bro. I'm not taking that risk. So you feel me? So we clean. But yeah, man, this shit is good. Yo, man, but I'm gonna go outside now with my bros. And bro, can you, like, if you're watching this, if you made it this far, comment down below what you think about these kind of videos. Do you think that I should, you know, post more of these kind of videos, you know, day in life? I know this day in life is, you know, I'm inside, but soon I'm gonna go outside. But this is like, the main goal of this is to give you value, like I told you, value and entertainment. So let me know, guys, okay, what you think about these kind of videos, all right? I want your honest opinion, okay? Honest. And yeah, man, let me know. Bro, I was here when it was summer, but now it's fucking, this shit looks cold as fuck, bro. But we're gonna go in and let's see what up, okay? I heard there's sharks. Bro, that island wasn't there. I think we should swim there. Okay, let's get it.
Jeg gør det derude.
Hell no, bro.
That's a good.
Oh, hell no.
It's warm.
Yo, what up? It's about to be like almost 11 p.m. in my country. I'm about to go to head over to this one shop, and yeah, I gotta fucking sleep. What am I yapping, bro? What am I talking, bro? I gotta fix my sleeping schedule so I can be more productive. You feel me? Waking up early is a productivity hack, I promise you guys. Okay, bro. Do y'all know the pictures when it says like places that feel familiar? Bro, look at this place. Back rooms, Subway. Yo, man, my phone actually died yesterday, so you feel me? But you know, I'm gonna end this video right now. If you love this video, comment up below what you thought about this video. Should I continue doing these kind of videos, you know? But obviously still trading related, but you feel me? Join the free community training from the description. All right, peace out.